Motorbikes aren't just machines. They're a lifestyle, a passion, a rush like no other. And in 2025, the motorcycle scene is hotter than ever, with riders around the world picking their favorites based on style, power, and pure thrill. From nimble street fighters to supercharged beasts, this year's top bikes are breaking records and turning heads. So, which rides made the cut as the most famous motorbikes of 2025? Buckle up as we count down the 12 ultimate rides that every rider's talking about. The Neo Sports Cafe Classic. The Honda CB650R is famous for perfectly blending retro style with modern performance, making it a standout in 2025's crowded mid-weight category. Riders love its timeless cafe racer-inspired design that turns heads everywhere it goes, giving off a cool, vintage vibe without feeling outdated. But it's not just about looks. The CB650R's smooth 649 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine offers accessible yet exciting power that appeals to a wide range of riders, from beginners to seasoned pros. Its reputation for reliability, sharp handling, and everyday comfort means it's equally at home in city traffic or on weekend road trips. Honda's continuous upgrades to electronics and suspension keep it fresh and competitive. This combination of classic aesthetics, solid performance, and trusted Honda quality is exactly why the CB650R remains one of the most talked about and beloved bikes in 2025. What do you think of the CB650R? Comment below. And hit subscribe so you don't miss the rest. The Beast of the Naked Street. The KTM 890 Duke R has earned its fame as the ultimate naked street fighter in 2025. Known for its aggressive styling and razor-sharp handling, it's a bike built for riders who crave pure adrenaline and precision control. At its heart is a powerful 889 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, delivering explosive torque and thrilling acceleration that dominates city streets and twisty backroads alike. The lightweight chassis and advanced electronics, like cornering ABS and ride modes, ensure riders can push limits with confidence and safety. Its reputation for raw performance combined with modern tech makes it a favorite among enthusiasts who want a bike that's both aggressive and refined. Whether you're carving sharp corners or blasting through urban traffic, the KTM 890 Duke R is famous for delivering a pulse-pounding ride experience that's hard to match in the naked bike segment. The affordable supersport dream. The Yamaha YZF R7 is famous in 2025 as the go-to supersport for riders seeking thrilling performance without breaking the bank. This bike strikes the perfect balance between race-inspired engineering and everyday usability, powered by a 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that offers smooth, responsive power for both beginners and seasoned riders. Its lightweight chassis and sharp suspension provide exceptional handling, making it an ideal choice for street riding and track days alike. Riders love the YZF R7 for its modern electronic suite, including traction control and ABS, which add an extra layer of confidence. Yamaha's focus on affordability, reliability, and performance has made the R7 a standout model, earning it a loyal following among those who want the supersport thrill without the usual price tag. Its popularity comes from being accessible, fun, and highly capable in every riding situation. The British Beast. The Triumph Street. Triple RS holds its fame as one of the most refined and exciting middleweight naked bikes in 2025. Renowned for its lively 765 cubic centimeter triple-cylinder engine, it delivers a unique blend of torque-rich power and high-rev excitement that riders crave. This bike is celebrated for its premium build quality and advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, quick shifter, and cornering ABS, which enhance performance and safety. The aggressive styling paired with ergonomic comfort makes it perfect for both daily commutes and spirited weekend rides. Riders praise the Street Triple RS for its balanced chassis and sharp handling, allowing precise control through tight corners and fast straights. Its British heritage and racing DNA add to its allure, making the Street Triple RS a top pick for riders wanting a powerful, stylish, and versatile machine that stands out in the mid-range naked segment. The Italian icon. The Ducati Monster 821 remains a symbol of Italian motorcycle passion and performance in 2025. Famous for its distinctive trellis frame and muscular design, it exudes raw aggression and elegance at once. The heart of the Monster 821 is a Testa Stretta 821 cubic centimeter L twin engine that delivers thrilling torque and crisp throttle response. Riders love how the Monster balances classic Ducati character with modern electronics, including ride-by-wire, ABS, and multiple riding modes. The bike's comfortable yet sporty ergonomics make it equally adept at city rides and open highways. The Monster 821's reputation is built on a history of innovation and style, combined with precise handling and oral excitement that true Ducati fans crave. Its status as an Italian icon and consistent upgrades keep it firmly among the most famous bikes of 2025. The track-proven middleweight. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R continues to command respect in 2025 as one of the most track-proven middleweight sport bikes on the market. Known for its high-revving 636 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, it offers explosive power and razor-sharp throttle response that thrill performance enthusiasts. The ZX-6R's aggressive aerodynamic design cuts through air with precision, while its advanced electronic suite, including traction control, multiple riding modes, and ABS, keeps the rider in control on the street or the track. Riders value its exceptional handling and stability, honed through years of racing heritage. This bike is famous for delivering race-level performance at a street-legal price point, making it a top contender for those who want to push limits while maintaining versatility for daily rides. The Adventure Legend. The BMW R1250 GS is legendary in 2025 for dominating the adventure touring segment with unmatched versatility and comfort. Powered by a 1,254 cubic centimeter boxer twin engine, featuring BMW's signature shift cam variable valve timing, it delivers smooth power and impressive torque across a wide RPM range. Riders adore its advanced rider aids like dynamic traction control, ABS Pro, and adaptive headlights, making long-distance travel safer and easier. The bike's ergonomic design, large fuel tank, and adjustable suspension provide unparalleled comfort whether riding off-road trails or cruising highways. Known for rugged reliability and luxurious features, the R1250 GS is famous as the ultimate go-anywhere motorcycle, favored by explorers and commuters alike. Its reputation as the adventure legend is well-earned, making it a top choice for riders seeking freedom and performance. The Rebels Ride. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S redefines what a modern cruiser can be in 2025. Known for its bold, muscular styling and aggressive stance, this bike blends traditional Harley soul with cutting-edge performance. Powered by the brand-new Revolution Max 1,250 TV twin engine, it delivers impressive torque and smooth power delivery, offering riders an exhilarating yet controllable experience. The Sportster S features modern electronics like ride modes, cornering ABS, and a TFT display, making it a high-tech machine without losing its rebellious character. Riders appreciate its responsive handling and comfortable ergonomics, which allow it to shine both in city traffic and on open roads. Its fame comes from bridging the gap between classic Harley heritage and the demands of today's riders, creating a bike that's as bold and free-spirited as the people who ride it. The Lightweight Champion. The Aprilia RS 660 is celebrated as one of the most balanced and advanced lightweight sport bikes of 2025. Its 659 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine produces lively power with exceptional smoothness, making it accessible for riders of all levels. What truly sets the RS 660 apart is its sophisticated electronics package, including cornering ABS, traction control, quick shifter, and multiple riding modes, ensuring confidence in every condition. Riders rave about its lightweight chassis and razor-sharp handling, which provide agility on tight corners and stability at high speeds. Its aggressive, aerodynamic design turns heads, while the comfortable ergonomics make longer rides enjoyable. The RS660's fame stems from being a track-capable, yet everyday-friendly machine, offering premium performance in a highly approachable package that has earned respect and admiration worldwide. The Super Sport Legend. The Suzuki GSX-R 1000 remains a titan of the supersport world in 2025, building on decades of racing heritage. Powered by a 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, it delivers blistering acceleration and high-revving thrills that have made it a benchmark in performance. Its advanced electronics suite, featuring launch control, multiple riding modes, and cornering ABS, helps riders harness its raw power safely. The GSX-R 1000's aggressive styling and aerodynamic design reflect its track-focused DNA, while the chassis is tuned for razor-sharp handling and stability at high speeds. Known for its balance of power, agility, and rider aids, the bike continues to attract both seasoned racers and enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance. Its fame is well-deserved as one of the most iconic and capable supersport motorcycles on the planet. The Torque Monster. The Yamaha MT-09 SP is famous for packing an incredible punch in a nimble naked bike package. Its 847 cubic centimeter triple-cylinder engine delivers explosive torque that makes acceleration thrilling and immediate. Riders love the MT-09 for its lightweight chassis and aggressive styling, which give it a commanding presence on city streets and highways alike. The bike features modern electronics like traction control, ABS, and multiple riding modes, adding layers of control and safety. Known as the Torque Monster, it offers a unique blend of raw power, agile handling, and everyday usability. Its reputation has grown steadily, especially among riders who want a bike that's as fun in traffic jams as it is on open roads. The MT-09 is a perfect example of Yamaha's mastery in balancing excitement with practicality. The supercharged masterpiece. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the crown as the most famous motorbike of 2025 is a machine that redefines what a motorcycle can be. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 isn't just fast. It's a supercharged powerhouse that crushes limits and leaves competitors in the dust. Powered by a 998 cubic centimeter supercharged inline-4 engine, it delivers jaw-dropping acceleration and mind-blowing top speeds few bikes can match. But it's not just about raw power. The H2 boasts cutting-edge aerodynamics, advanced electronics, and precision engineering, making it a thrilling yet controllable beast. Riders worldwide are captivated by its unique blend of futuristic tech and brutal performance. This isn't just a bike, it's an experience that pushes boundaries. No wonder the Ninja H2 holds the throne as the king of 2025's motorbikes. Unmatched, unstoppable, and unforgettable. And there you have it, the 12 most famous motorbikes of 2025, ranked by riders around the world. From the approachable elegance of the Honda CB650R all the way to the unstoppable Kawasaki Ninja H2, these machines represent the very best of style, performance, and innovation. Which one got your heart racing? Drop your favorite bike in the comments below. I want to know which of these legends you'd take for a spin. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a ride with us. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.